Hi everyone, this is Tony Nicole welcoming you to the red carpet. This video is kind of a two-parter. It's got two different things going on, so I really hope you enjoy it. I was on eBay and they had these really cute little doll dresses on sale. It was 10 dresses and 10 pairs of shoes, and it was for less than $4, free shipping and everything. I want to show you guys what I got. But first, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So here is the description of the doll dresses that I got off of eBay, and it says that it's made out of polyester. So I got the package in the mail and everything is packaged up like this, and we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. So here are the shoes. Supposed to be 10 pairs of shoes in here. Got a cute pair of white pumps, a pair of yellow pumps, a cute pair of blue shoes, these really cool pale pink sandals, cute little yellow sandals, little strappy shoes with the toes out in red, cute orange, kind of like the jelly pink. These black slingbacks have a little wonky heel on there. And I like these cute pale blue shoes, super cute. So we have 10 pairs of shoes. And we could definitely dress our doll in these. And now we're going to open the dresses and see what we got here. So the quality is not so great. It's like, kind of feels like paper. You see that the hem isn't finished. They just cut it with like the pinking shears. The stitching isn't that great. You can see the back has a little Velcro on there. Pleats in the front, and like the straps are like little ribbon. So we're going to go over the different fabrics. They all have cute little prints on there. I like that one, it's really cute. Polka dots, you can never go wrong with polka dots. I like those colors too. Some more in red and white. Oh, I like this cute little swirly on the pink. These are little hearts. Ooh, this one has like strawberries and cherries on there. Pretty little soft pink on pink. And this one's kind of different because they use two different prints on there. So we have our 10 little dresses. So is this a skater dress? I don't know. Let me know in the comments like what you call that dress. So we're going to do a fitting. I'm going to try the same dress on. Here's a fashionista. See how it fits on the side. See how it closes on the back. And it looks pretty cute. Cute little simple dress. This is the exact same dress on a curvy. And whoa, a little open in the back. And here's the exact same dress on a fresh style. And it won't close. Like the back is like really, really tight. They have different body types, obviously. But these are going to be our models. And what I wanted to do is take the dress and see if we could kind of raid our doll's closet and add some accessories and create a different look using like the same dress. So we got a cute little black jacket. That's from the Fresh Dolls. Of course, the zebra bag, some glasses, and a tutu. Totally changes the look. Super cute. I love to accessorize. It's always super fun. And as you can see, it totally changes the look. Here's our Fresh Doll. She's got the cute little polka dot dress on. We're going to give her some capri pants, a cute little purse, and some cute jewelry. And the pants are like wide open in the back. They don't close. So we're going to pull that dress down and cover it all. And here's a cute little look. I just wanted to show you that you could create so many different looks just switching up the accessories. Of course, you can never go wrong with a denim jacket. We got a cute little handbag and hats. I love hats. So she's got her dress on and her shoes from eBay, and we accessorized it. Came up with a cute little summer look. This is so fun and girly. Cute little simple dress. She's got the pale pink shoes on. And what I did is I cut the dress so we can make a cute little peplum top. And I made a little felt skirt and jacket. And then we're going to add pearls and a little faux computer bag. So she has a nice professional look, but it's super stylish and trendy. I think I like this one the most. So now we have some examples of different looks. We got this new wardrobe, and I was wanting to make a cute little garment rack. Now, it's a million dowel videos for garment racks where you're using wooden dowels, but I like to use wire, and I'm going to try and see if this works. So we're using 4 wire hangers. We're going to remove the hook with pliers by rocking it back and forth. We're going to fold the wire hanger in the center and then try to straighten out the ends so you just have the one little bend in the middle. And we always use our pliers to help us out. I'm going to measure that out to about 11 inches and use our pliers to remove the excess. And we're going to need 2 more. And it's not easy, but we're going to just try our best to make it as symmetrical as possible. And I'm going to cover the raw jagged ends with a bead using some super glue. And while that's drying, I'm going to cut another piece of the hanger about 6 inches and use our pliers to create a little hook on each side. Then I'm going to take the pieces that we already made, and I am going to try to bend that wire hanger around to make a little loop. You're going to be really careful not to scratch yourself. Repeat on both sides, and it kind of looks like the frame for a swing set because it's got the little bar across the top. And I'm going to lock that in place with a little drop of glue. Now this is the corrugated plastic sheets. They're really cool. They're like the size of poster board. And I cut it out to make the little shelves. I'm taking the craft foam that's already had the adhesive on it, and I'm applying little pieces of wire. And I'll fold the craft foam over. And then we're going to cut. And the corrugated plastic has these little ridges in there, so we're going to actually stuff the craft foam inside on each end so the wire is sticking out, and then we'll use it to wrap around our frame so that we can create shelves on a garment rack. Always using your pliers to help you. So now we have a shelf across the bottom, and we're adding that 3rd piece that we made to attach the other end of the shelf. And we'll repeat that and add some more shelves. So our garment rack has one side with shelves and the other side where you can hang your clothes up. And we're going to lock everything in place with a drop of glue where everything is connected. And here's our garment rack. I made a quick little corner room where we're going to put our garment rack. I used a little metallic paper to create a mirror and a really cool little plant. And we have hangers made out of wire and craft foam. We're gonna hang up some of our new dresses that we ordered off of eBay. And I cut out little squares of craft foam and covered it with a scrap of blue jeans. And then we're going to stock our shelves with our handbag and our shoes. So here it is, our cute little garment rack. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like to try different things, and like I've said, we've seen the garment racks made out of the wooden dowels and the wooden skewers and stuff like that. So with the hangers, it's definitely a lot more sturdy. So I hope you enjoyed it. I want you guys to try it out and let me know what you think. So you could reach out to me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Of course, I'd love to hear your comments. I always appreciate you so much for that. And for leaving a great comment on the last video, I want to officially welcome Sweet Earth 1958 to the red carpet. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching. Until next time, remember, it's more fun to make it. Take care.